Yeah, my favorite day of the week, Tyco Tuesday time. Yeah, and we're gonna do a Lamborghini today. Yeah, it's got silver pickups on it, which I will be taking off. I didn't realize they were on there, but we'll see how she runs with them. Then we'll take them off and put copper ones on and see how the numbers change on the dyno. Not much. I'll bring it around here and we'll check this bad boy out. Lamborghini count check. Count, contact. I don't know. If you're an expert on typing out how things are pronounced, go ahead and type it in there. I have no clue. Yeah, it's a 440 times 2 narrow pan with silver pickups, and yeah, pretty cool looking. Could use a little shine on it. It's a little dusty. The wing is not bent or broke or dent or dinged, and the little points are on it. Well, there ain't no points on them. They took them off on these ones. Tyco had little points on them, but these ones, Mattel did not. And yeah, it's a Lambo. Yes, it is. Yeah, got nice new silicones on it. Let's put her on the dyno and see how she does. Look her up here in the book. I think that's the cheap Mattel version. I'm gonna look in the back first. I'm just guessing. And yes, sir, I am right. Let her get warmed up, and we will check out the book. There she is, right next to the Ritter one. I have this, but good luck finding it. It's a Belgium release only. And this here, I have this one, and I have another one. I have a blue one of these. That's what I have. Black with the blue instead of the yellow. But I have almost every Lambo, I think. If not all of them. And we'll look right here. Okay, it's number 12. That only car from 1998. And it says blue yellow. That's another one of the 100 mistakes in this book. Yes, it is a mistake. Number 3, 33580 is the set number. It's a 4-lane TRS set. Whatever that means. Toys R Us. Okay, Toys R Us. So the only way you can get that car is to have this set only from 1998 from Toys R Us. It's a 4-lane set. Yeah. The one below it, the black, yellow, purple, number 8, it's a Belgium release. I do have it, and I had the one with the blue on it, which is a U.S. release. And it is doing over 3 on the dyno. Pretty cool. Yes, here's the black with the blue on number 8 on it, which is the U.S. version. The one with the yellow is the Belgium version. So yeah, the book says that car's blue. Always perfect. Heck, I even make mistakes. Ask anybody, they'll tell you. Yeah, anything that runs 60 or higher, well, actually about 50 or higher, is on low voltage is really good. Shine this bad boy up. And she's a shining too. We got 310 out of it. We got a 212. Yeah, 212. Let's pop these shoes off real quick and put the copper ones on. If they cooperate, or if I get the that I'm live, so it's not going to work right. Yeah. I always put my finger over here. You can feel the top of the spring. I hold it so it doesn't move. And then when I take the pickup shoe off, and then I put the new one on, that spring stays on the inside where it's supposed to be. Then all I got to do is hook it a little bit and get it right on. And then when you turn it over, see how this one is down under that plastic? This one here is not. You have to pop it down in so it's underneath. There we go. Okay, we got a 312 out of it with the silver pickups on it. Well, let's try the copper pickups, and we're going to do a little test and see how much better those silver pickup shoes really, really are. Well, a lot better because I obviously did something wrong here. Oh, that one there is not on properly? Come on now, Rich. I think when I did this here, it may have popped. Yep, did it again. Okay, I see it. I need to come back further. Now it's on. Alright. Yeah. I'm getting my glasses, getting an eye exam tomorrow. So, yeah, maybe I can see better. This. Alright, we hit 212. Let's see what we get with the copper on. 312, I should say. Misspoke again. 312. Did hit 3 when I first put it on there, but if I hit 3 now. So it looks like those silver pickup shoes. This hit 3 again, but it's 3.1, 3.2. But it's maybe 0.10, 0.10. I mean, if you're racing against your buddies or you're in a racing club, these silver pickups would be a little bit of help. 0.10. Well, we got 0.6, 7. Yeah, it's not even much of a difference now. Not even worth the extra $1. Well, they hit 12. It hit 12.13. And actually, copper actually went higher. Yeah, so I take it back. I mean, there ain't no difference. I'm gonna say there's no difference. And it's not worth the extra penny, or whatever they charge for it. I actually hit 13.14. I'll see if I get 15 out of it. let's just say it hit 14. Let's just say it beat 14. It beat the 112 that I barely got out the copper one. So I'm going to say they're even. So yeah, it's like my comparison video for headlights. Headlights do not use any more energy, does not slow the car down at all, the chassis at all on the dyno. It runs exactly the same, whether it's a wheat bulb or it's a LED bulb or there's no bulb. It runs exactly, all the chassis run exactly the same. I did a video on it. Go back and watch it if you don't believe me. And I just did this silver, the copper, and it makes no difference whatsoever. There you have it, folks. All right, let's take this bad boy over to the track and do a few laps. Lamborghini Count Jack. She runs good, boy. She hugs. Those narrow pans are way better than the wide pans, in my opinion. These cars handle way better. They're easier to race. A lot less drifting with them. They fly. And this car runs awesome. Awesome car. Awesome. Yeah, if you're racing your buddy, yeah, get a Lambo. Yeah, they're easy to control. They're very fast. Low profile. Stick to the track well. Lambo with a 440 x2 chassis. With the 2 magnets, not a Magnum with 1 long magnet. Those things are not that good. They're fast on the dyno, but they don't hug the track as well. They're a little harder to race. You're going to have to practice with it. And, yeah, these Magnums, you just, 440s, these 440 x2s, you just throw them on and go. And Scott over at Scott's House of HO pulled one. He opened a carded one and dried out old 30-year-old tires and all, threw it on the track, and that thing flew around the track. Right, it's 30 years old, still carded, opened up, and boom, it went. You can't even get an Auto World or to do that. They're just junk right out of the box. You have to play around and work with them some. Even the AFX, you need to change. A lot of times the rear hubs are bent. The holes aren't drilled straight. They're drilled at an angle. The pinions are bad on them. Tires suck. I mean, these things are awesome. They got brand new silicones on them, but still, even with the factory tires, they're way better than anything ever, in my opinion, and Scott's. So yeah, anything in it. Let's just say anything that's manufactured by a company, not built by Smuckatelli and his cousins in a back room somewhere, and they put a name or a sticker on them and they sell them. No offense, the BSRT and Viper and all those cars like that, Super 7s, Terry, they make awesome cars, but they're not production. They're not manufactured over in Hong Kong or Thailand or Malaysia, or they're made here in the U.S., which they make them better, and they're a lot better, faster cars. But as far as a set car out of a box, out of a blister up, carded car, pulling it out, these are the best ever made right here. The best ever. Fact. Alright, appreciate you guys coming in. Appreciate if you guys would, sign into YouTube, give me a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications if you ain't hit it yet. get notified my three videos I do during the week. Sunday, race day Sunday. Today, Tyco Tuesday. Friday is Corvette Friday. And Friday I do it. Friday night I do it live. It's mature audience because yeah, I have some cold snacks and I have fun. Build pit kits. And yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of those things, and tell me what you think of that test with the silver shoes. These silver shoes do not make any difference whatsoever. You get the same power to the armature, and only so much power is going to go to the armature. It depends on what you're putting out. That thing they're just putting out, I think, 19.5. So yeah. All right, thanks a lot. You guys have an awesome week. Tomorrow, Adam will be doing his live at 7 p.m. Eastern, and Thursday's Kenton's live at 7:15 Eastern. Pimp Your Layout and virtual racing with Kenton. That's really cool. Check that out over at HO Slot Cars and Trains. And Friday's mine. Saturday is Scott's House of HO. Alright, Mark does his Saturday sometimes. He switched to Saturday, but he went back to Sunday. So, yeah, in the morning, you always catch him about 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. Mark's Club Car Garage. He's got an awesome Viper track. His cars fly around the track. Yeah, you get a sore neck watching them go around. But, yeah, check that out. Alright, appreciate all you guys. And I'm up over 100 subscribers again. I don't know where the 180 are at. If you know any of them, let them know. And I appreciate it. And you guys have a great week. Thanks for coming in. Bye.